Hope we be bracing for a foot or more snow. Top of the hill, it's already here. Two kind of people in this world, though. It's pitiful homeless people. And then there's and then there's cats who literally got their own bedroom. What's up, boy? You sleeping? Huh? You sleeping, buddy? Yeah? Yeah? What's up? Bracing for the snow? Getting a good sleep in there, buddy? Huh? Sleeping with your teddy bear? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, he's gonna bite me, huh? Well, he's not such a good boy. I'm going to the store to get some supplies, boy. Need anything? You set? Be throwing snowballs at you tomorrow, buddy. Don't let me disturb you. I'll be right here when I get back, won't you? And the snow blower, and you hear titmouses. They hang out by the windows. Right by the house here, trying to eat out of the windows. So you got no place else to go because of the snow. Maybe another foot coming too. We'll be halfway there. Okay, got about a foot of snow. Wind's beginning to pick up. It's coming down about an inch or more an hour. And there's a lot of it. Official blizzard time. Officially a blizzard. Ka-plunk, 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 ka-plunk. Yes, I'm in sneakers. Run out to the road. Official blizzard conditions. February 10th, 2010. Also happens to be my birthday. I'm 28. Yeah, that's it. 28. Maturity level 16 and holding. Brrr. Good? Come on. Sunny today. Huh, boy? Yeah, I should get out there and do the bicycling. Ends up we probably got, I don't know, 17, 18 inches of snow. What's the final count? Right there, kitty. Hey, boy. We'll go out and play later. I'll throw snowballs at you.